Go.
Regular repair kit comprises the following components: 20 by 20 urethane patch, single, 5 pieces of a 12-inch round, 5 pieces of a 7-inch round, 5 pieces of 5-inch round, 5 pieces of 2.5-inch round, 5 pieces of 2 by 4 urethane material. Kit also includes 1-inch chip brush, metal handle flux brush, as well as half pint of adhesive and a half pint of solvent, and the instructions for the repair itself. Demonstrate the repair itself. You will first clean the area to be repaired with the solvent, both the body and the patch itself. Then you'll take the patch and mark the area to make sure you know where to apply the adhesive. You will then apply 3 separate coats of the adhesive to both the body and to the patch on the underside, letting each coat dry thoroughly. After the 3rd coat is applied and dried, you will then use the solvent to reactivate the adhesive, wiping both the body again and the patch. After wiping, immediately apply the patch to the adhesive part of the body, taking, if you have a roller, pressing to make the patch stick. If not, apply a heavy object to make it adhere well.